I will be practicing my realism skills once and for all, and I will be doing digital art. What is up, you guys? It's Aureus back with another storm. I hope you guys are staying safe, keeping well, and that you are just feeling happy. I know I am. In this video, I am going to be drawing Jennie. For those people who don't know what Jennie is, first of all, I'd like to declare I am a fully converted Blink. And by Blink, I mean I am a BlackPink fan. I admit it, I've taken my fate, and that's life. Two ways. I will be practicing my realism skills once and for all, and I will be doing digital art. So last week's video, I did a video on traditional versus digital art. I am going to be doing the digital aspect also because I have not done a realism piece on my channel, and I figured it's only fair I try and do it. I've been pushing out these videos, and honestly speaking, I don't think they do justice to my skills. Not that I'm bragging, but I am going to draw Jennie Kim on my tablet. So sit down, grab a drink, grab a snack, and watch me bring one of my favorite artists to life. Hopefully.
Running in a bucket list, I start body. 널 당기는 것도 멀리 밀치는 것도 제 번째로 wanna beg, girl. kom 싫어 먼저 두고 뭐라 하던 with a bass drop is another bang. 두 번 생각해. 난 남들처럼 착한 척은 못하니까 착각하지 마. 쉽게 웃어주는 넌 날 위한 거야. 아직은 잘 모르겠지. 그저 원하는 test me. 널 불보듯이
that is what I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, like and comment down below for engagement. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss next week's video. Decide what you should think should you watch it. So I suggest you click it, click it. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye.